Hey everybody, welcome to Chisholm Prism. My name is Taylor Chisholm and today I'm at the airport. I'm about to get on one of these planes in about an hour and I guess you're wondering, where am I going? Drum roll. I'm actually going to Austin, Texas. I've been to Texas before, to Houston, but this time I'm gonna go to Austin and hang out with some friends. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna see some sights. I'm also going to Austin City Limits so we get to see that festival. Come along with me and we're gonna take this journey together. I'm excited. It's one of those where you meet your homies that you haven't seen in like a year and you guys just have a ball. I really do love these girls. And who doesn't love a good festival? But Austin's supposed to be like 90 degrees, so it's gonna be pretty hot out. I'm wearing a sweater right now because Chicago is really cold and dreary. Yeah, it'll be nice just to extend the summer a little bit more before it gets to the winter cold here. Yeah, I'll see you when we get on the plane. We made it to Austin. I'm here at the Vrbo with my friend Madison. So this place is actually really nice. Let me give you a little tour. So that's like the hallway. And then there's this like huge open space when you first walk in. There's a 1-bedroom bathroom. And they set us up with these really cute keychains. The kitchen. Yeah, so this place, I think it was about $600 and we split it 2 ways. Honestly, for what it is, it's a nice deal. I mean, we're gonna be here for 3 days. Well, probably not even gonna be in here a ton because we have so much to see in Austin.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream.
Guys, so we're actually at Austin, Texas University today. We went thrifting earlier in the morning. Now we're gonna get some food and kind of walk around the campus and see what the scenery is. The fit for today.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man.
the final day that we'll be in Austin, and of course we're going to the ACL Fest. I got my cowgirl hat from the thrift store that we went to yesterday, and this is the fit. And this hat actually lights up, which is super cool. There's a little button inside. So they're definitely gonna find me. You can't lose me in the crowd with this. But okay, so Austin is really hot when that sun is beating down, so definitely having a hat is ideal. And I'm probably gonna be fanning myself with it. Yeah, because I'm gonna be sweating all these little jewels off, I think. Like, I don't know if I could live in this year long, but it's definitely nice to get away for a little heat season before it gets freezing in Chicago. So let's go see what it's all about. I'll take some more footage and video and we'll just have a good time. Let's go.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes and 20 more.
It's hot here. The wind is definitely kicked in. When the sun goes down, it's better. I heard it's good to get a mask. That's helpful. Maybe cover some of the dust. A fan, I should have got a fan. That would help too. These are all tips to help you if you want to come to ACL. Keep this in mind. But this is a really great venue and a lot of cool artists.
20 more minutes and 2 more. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Nigga, you want me cause I got the dope. Pass that girl right on my friend, give it go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. Yeah, I hit it fast. Yeah, I hit it slow. Bye bye the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay, you might help in my show. Gotta be partners right under my nose. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. Changing my style cause I got every flow. Got every girl, ain't no top in my hose. I understand that it's your girlfriend, bro, but you know I got a kid with clothes.
My name is Chaperone. It's so good to be here.
Changing my style cause I got every flow. Got every girl, ain't no top in my hose. I understand that it's your girlfriend, bro, but you know I gotta keep her close. I'll be your legs and I keep them close. Living life on the edge, on the tightrope. I am so clean, I might start moving so. Try the new Vrbo, I don't need to know. Try the Bugatti like it's a bubble.
Nigga in a cowboy hat, and he took it off, and there was another smaller cowboy hat under it. I was like, oh my fucking god.
Only 20 minutes before the show. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes and 2 more. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Nigga, you want me cause I got the dope. Pass that girl right on my friend, give it go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles.